I just hopped on, but I just seen a gold signal pop up, so I'm in it right now. I'm gonna hold it until it turns yellow oversold, which it is right now. If I look in the past, it's already been. It likes to go to gold a few times, like a few bars, candles. So I'm gonna take one contract off. I have 3 total. Take one more off. Just have one contract left. Because it is getting close to 9:30, I will be taking it soon, no matter what. At the open, because sometimes price gets a little wild. All right, I'm gonna take it now. I don't think I want to risk it. Let's see, 1, 2. All right, I'm all out of it. That stop loss would have been right. Where's that buy signal? All right, it's 9:30. So I got out of it. It did start to pull back. You saw that? So that was the reason why I got out. It could still go way up to the upside. It just whenever it gets yellow, and definitely if it turns orange, it means it got out of oversold and it's starting to come back a little bit. So you have to watch. All right, still waiting. That was a nice gold win, very quick. That was very nice. Hmm, 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 hmm. Man, that really went up without me, huh? It's alright. I got a little bit of it. I'm okay with it. Are you guys okay with it? All right, might get another buy signal here, but this thing is. I need to come back down a little bit for gold wise. All right, very good. Pull back. Right into the cloud. All the other ones that are like the NASDAQ and the Dow, they're all gray candles right now. That means do not trade. All right, it's back to extreme oversold here. The yellow candle is popping up on gold. I usually trade directly on here, but for some reason my one count is not loading. So I'm copy trading from my Top Step X from here. That's why I'm doing this the buy indicator thing here, whatever it's called. So whenever you see this is my trade. Mouse went like way above past me, huh? It's the name of the game. Don't chase it. All right, here's the pullback. It did turn into a red candle, so that's not good. If you were to looking for buys, we'd have to wait for this candle to turn green again. Which means that it doesn't know really what it wants if it's green and, I mean, if it's red and a green cloud. I have a feeling this is going to go sideways for a bit then. Just want to check the news real quick. Pretty much had all negative news this morning. Next one is 10 o'clock. Michigan sentiment. And then one of the feds is speaking at 10 also, so we have to be careful. But there is a lot of news coming out at 10. Only one high impact news, which is good, but the rest is a lot. Not many signal, actually only one signal so far, and that was just before the bell. So if I didn't get on earlier and at 9:30, we would still be waiting here. Dow just started getting a green candle. Nasdaq is moving and breaking out of the high top. So if you were to play like support and resistance trading, breakout here, you might want to wait till it retests and then go back up. But this is a major, this blue line here I drew a couple days ago, it's a daily resistance line. So look, it just hit it and it's starting to bounce, and I was breaking through. So how you would trade this is if it goes up and then comes back down and touches it, like maybe forms like a hammer and then goes to the upside. I don't know what is going on. Why is... I don't see any news that came out. Because that's an entire 100 points almost in 2 minutes, which is wild. Alright, we're going to get a buy signal here. This NASDAQ will be... I might do a reversal here. Just for, real quick, for a scalp. I don't even like doing this. I don't know why I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. I just felt like that candle was huge. No, I want to go down to like right here. And I gotta be careful too. If this starts ripping to the upside, it's gonna really hurt. $21,271. Yep. All right, a buy signal on the gold. Okay, so my NASDAQ filled. Very nice. Those are risky, but you can make good money on them. I just made $200 on that little pullback. All right, I'm in 4 contracts on gold. Ooh, that's scary, actually. Stop loss would be if the candle closes behind the cloud. Which isn't looking too good already. If this recovers at all, I might just take the profit right away because I don't know. I really don't want to risk my capital that I just got already. Let's see what happens right here. I need to bounce right now or do or die. All right, I'm closing. All right, so that was a loss. That was a lot bigger than I wanted to be. Damn you, gold. Watch, she's gonna pop all the way back up. Something came out. That news was too, not news, but that candle was huge. Let's see. I'm surprised this hasn't come out of the, from gray bars. And if you wanted to trade this like a flag, you can get in on this right here. Which I might actually do just for 2 contracts. I'll let you know if it fills. I have it just above this bar here. Because it's 3 pullback or 4 pullback bars. So the next one that goes should pop and give some momentum. I'll probably hold it to like the 296 area. You can actually lower this if you wanted to the next candle, which is right here. All right, so we're in. I know this is my normal setup, but the price does look pretty good. This is called like a flag pattern. I don't want to go to tippy top. I think I'm going to do like right about here. And if it breaks through, then I'll wait for another trade. My scalping indicator did turn green, which is cool. My only issue here is that the only issue here is this is major support here. It needs to just blast through. I didn't like this candle here. It made a reverse hammer right on it, which is very bearish. Come on. I'm gonna move this down. I didn't close it. I only close when candle closes behind the cloud. You got 30 seconds left of it. So it can easily come right back up. Alright, I'm gonna close it, I think. Unfortunately. Alright, close. Man, that was a pretty big loss. That was 400 bucks. Fuck. Actually, that was $500 because I fucking had profit and now it says negative 400. Not good, not good. Should have just traded my signals. That hurt, buddies. Man, I really sucked that loss. I'm guessing it's waiting for 10 o'clock news. I should have been out right here. It would have only been like an $80 loss. I turned it into a $500 loss. Don't do that. Just use the damn cloud. Alright, I actually just made a lot of that back right there. I don't recommend this though. I just saw that it was going to go up. It was going to be a scalp. All right, so now let's do the reverse hammer off of the cloud. So we're going to pay attention to that too. Again, we could just wait for signals. We got one buy signal that worked. The second signal did not work, unfortunately, for gold. So 1 and 1 for that. Sucks, but it's part of the game. Gotta wait. If any of you guys have any questions, just ask. What I'm using here is available. It's a 1 month free code. It's called Starter Package. Then after the 30 days, if you do like it, it's $49.95. One trade can pay for 5 years. Easily. You just gotta have money management, and I'm telling you, it'll pay for 5 years. My entire week so far for 4 days, and only 2 days was a good days of trading, and I am up almost $3,000. That's just from the signals. Yeah, this is definitely waiting for the 10 o'clock news because everything's gray again. I don't know, this is confusing, but down $20 in my express fundeds for each one. I was down 500 for a minute, but I'm back. I fucked it up. Nothing. I think it's waiting for the 10 o'clock news. And then there's a Fed speaking too, and it's Friday, so just be careful. So in reality, signals were 1 and 1. 1 win, 1 loss. 1 win, 1 loss. I would have been positive though. Still waiting. This gold made a large hammer off that cloud, but there's no real trend. It's gray. NASDAQ is gray, but regardless, price action on it's wedged. Probably looks like it wants to go to the downside. Same thing with Dow. I'm curious what oil is doing. Damn, we should have been trading oil. Winner. Winner. Still partially into it. Maybe I'll trade some micro. We'll just do 2 contracts and we'll hold it until it turns yellowish. We're in a short position. Wish I should have checked oil. I don't know why I don't have it up. Very silly of me. Probably because oil has been like really weird lately, too. I've been really paying attention to it. It's like it goes and then it doesn't. It goes and then it doesn't. But this was very lovely today. It looks like almost all wins except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wins out of 8. And you probably nah, that would have been real risky. And then on the bottom, build 1, 2. Third one would have been risky again. 3, 4. Look, it's going against me. Come on, man. I'm not out yet. I'm gonna make this bigger. All right, 10 o'clock news is out. Let's look at it. Looks like negative news. Nothing crazy though. Let me see what the euro one was. Negative. That's bad. Okay. Let's see if oil bounces off this 50. If not, then I'll just close it. I'll probably stay away from oil because it's really slow. But it's bouncing off the 50 area, so we'll see if this bad boy comes back down. And I'm not going to hold it for long because I'd rather get back to gold. In reality, I'm supposed to get out. So that's what it was doing. The 5 minute was hitting the cloud, and now it's reversing.
How's your car? Like new? NJM's been great. Your insurance company? NJM is magical. That's what.
Wow, what a boring morning so far. Stuff like this, like you want to trade small. There's nothing good going on, so don't try to get rich off of some stupid ass price action. So far, Nasdaq is gray. Candles are all gray here. Oil is also gray. There's nothing going on there. I'm at break even on oil. I'm probably gonna close it in about 2 seconds. Let's go back to gold. Gold is still gray. Good morning, Luigi. Any questions, just ask away. Right now, everything's pretty much gray. Gray means no strong trend. Stay out on the 1 minute. If you're just tuning in, I had one pretty big win here, and then one loss in the buy. I'm at break even right now. Nothing's really hitting. All right, gold just turned to green candles. This indicator down here is a free scalping indicator that I created, but it's in the form of triangles right now. This is more of a test, this one. It'll look like this, but it just turned to green. So far, just waiting for buy signals. Not seeing anything yet. It happens. It's Friday. That news absolutely did nothing. We were waiting for that. Let's see. Eurozone consumer confidence flash actual 14.5. It should be negative. But it wasn't a big difference, so that's probably why I didn't move that much. Yeah, this is a flat market. We might look at this. If this is a flag, a bull flag, I would buy the high of, the break of this previous candle if I was to do this bull flag. Again, this is a little far away. Okay, so never broke that, and now it's coming back down. We really just want like it to pull back to the cloud, chill there for a bit, and then go sideways and then give us a signal. That would probably be awesome.
Alright, so listen up. State Farm was trying to charge me $197 for car insurance. No thank you. I got a
Luigi, you're not the CEO killer, are you? Alright, so I do like that gold. It is not my typical trading style, so I'm not... Obviously, I know how to trade that, but I'm waiting for signals. So I'm only going to scalp this. I'm not going to hold it for long term. You would want to gain... My entry was right here. It's a large stop loss. But I'm not going to hold much higher than... let's see, around there. I'm only in 2 contracts, micro. Nothing crazy. Again, this is just a flag pattern. It's not even my signals. But if I see it, I'm pretty fluent in all strategies. These are usually strong. What I did was, as a bull flag, it goes straight up like a pole, and then it goes sideways for the pullbacks. And then you want to buy the first candle that breaks a previous candle high. So it would be right here. And then if you wanted to, every time it breaks a candle, you can move your stop loss behind that candle. I took one out. All right, second one just hit. So not bad. Again, you didn't have to take that. We can wait for the signals. I just think it was bullish. I have my scalping indicator that's green, which means that it's a bullish trend. So then I took the flat pattern breakout. This candle just flashed orange, so if you didn't get out, just be wary of it. Gold does love to go to yellow, so I wouldn't be too nervous about holding it a little longer if you were. See that went up very nicely. So I would be cautious around here. At least take some off of your gold. There's just no momentum today, guys. I mean, gold's doing nice, but there's still no signals. It's probably best for right now. We're still just waiting. Anybody tuning in? There's nothing. If anybody has any questions, just ask. I've been like pushing to see if I can get to TikTok Live. I think I can do it. I've only been on here for like a month or two, so it is a little new to me. But I don't know, man. I don't want to waste my time. This shit gets banned. For like a month and a half, I got 160 subscribers. It's not bad. I think YouTube, I got like 41. Just doing shorts and stuff. It's really beginning, you know. I make all my money. Well, I have a job too, so that I'm blessed to make good money on. And trading is more of a... I almost matched my salary on it, but hopefully we can get to... I could just retire. Curious what other traders are doing online. I'm on TikTok. So one person's scalping to the downside on the NASDAQ. I'm not sure why he would do that. If I were to, I would be shorting... probably right around here. It would probably be just for a scalp, see? Like he was doing. He was trying to scalp it. But I would scalp this probably right to the cloud. Like he's down $1,100 on that one trade. Gold is still ripping up. There's gold. Starting to show a buy. If it does show a buy here, we gotta wait a little bit. This thing is like really far away from the cloud. So let's see if it pulls back first. Alright, so this trader is now down. He's still holding it. It shows him negative 1,000. My scalp indicator is now showing a buy, so he's got to be careful. I'm just critiquing another trader. I'm not going to say his name. I see him on TikTok. He still has it to the downside. This can rip up easily. Alright, so we're getting still another buy signal on here. Still got 50 seconds left, so let's wait on the gold. This guy's gonna get fucking torn. He's in a short right now, but if this breaks this top, this is a little bit of a bullish flag. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's a pennant. He's blaming Tradeovate. Now he's playing the Tradeovate won't close it. Let's see. I think it's about to rip up without him. All right, so gold did. Gold did show. Watch, he's gonna hold it, and he's like, "Oh, I got off profit." I really want this to come back down a little bit. I'm gonna go just one in. No, not that one. Yeah, what am I doing here? All right, long. The problem with this is it's a huge stop loss. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze. So we're gonna hold this until the candles turn orange or yellow. It definitely loves to turn orange. That guy is still in the trade. That's what I'm saying. Hopefully I get more attention because I smoke these fuckers in trading. He's holding a short, and this thing on a NASDAQ, and this thing is about to pop to the upside. First off, his contract size is too big. Even if it was a short, say it was, but this is starting to show a buy. All right, we got yellow on gold. All right, I really want to take that NASDAQ trade too, so I don't want to get in too early. Did this freeze or something? I don't know why, but I think something's going on with my charts here. I am extremely green on my Nasdaq trade too. What the hell's going on? I am in a Nasdaq. I'm not sure why this is not showing. The hell is this? I don't know why that just happened, but I'm in this. I'm gonna close my Nasdaq. Just started showing yellow. I'm gonna close my gold also. All right, we're all out. So win on the gold. It's showing yellow, so I'm just 3 yellow now. I wish I held this a little bit longer, but I think the lag kind of scared me. But that guy just probably got creamed, dude. There's no way he's profitable. This fucking guy has got followers everywhere. That was green. Good job. That was showing a buy, but it is already overbought. I don't know why that guy would sell on that. I'm not going to say any names. I don't get why these guys have followers. Maybe they're better than me. I don't know. I'll tell you right now, you can see the results. I can't hide them. Even if I want to go to the side, you can see my buy signals on the chart on what is going on. Which is kind of cool at the same time. He took his profit off. I bet you he fucking just crashed his account, and now he's on a different one. All of a sudden his P&L closed. He's holding a short again in the Nasdaq as it fucking blasts up. This guy, now he's blaming shit on different. Come on. How the fuck does this guy got those followers? It's pretty funny. If you're just tuning in, I'm looking at somebody on TikTok and they're trading. They got like 80 people. Well, he did have 80 people, but now they're starting to go out. Say he's on a 3-week winning streak, but I'm watching him. It is way overbought. I am not gonna man, so these are the plays where you're like, oh, it's way over bought. But these things can freaking grind, man. All right, I'm gonna do one short. I couldn't help myself. I'm not even. I don't know if I even should put it on the board so I don't confuse anybody, but I am in a short here just to get a small grind. And I gotta be careful because it's already kind of popping up again. But if it hits this huge resistance here, let's see what happens. Oh, that's because the Fed speaker is talking. I forgot about that. He's saying that they might inflation or some shit. All right, we're right at that support. Oh, it's smacking through. I probably should have closed. I'm only one contract in. I'm down $70 on it. Not like this guy. Probably in 10 contracts. His P&L disappeared all of a sudden. Wow, that was $100. It just went up. I'm still in it. This is more of a gamble play. Don't do this. Fed speaking. Don't try to fight them. You don't do too many contracts. We're at the 500 mark. I'll probably enter one more on the break of it. 21.5. Oh, didn't hit it. I shouldn't have gotten in yet. This is literally a gamble play. Nothing with my strategy. And it still is scary to trade because this thing is ripped up. These are one of those ones that are like those face rippers. And you don't understand why it's going up. It's because the Fed is speaking. He's probably saying some bullish shit. This one trade I'm in is down $130. Again, this is a fucking straight gamble play. Gamble plays, you don't go too heavy. This guy I'm watching online, I bet you he's down 5,000. That's why he removed his P&L. And he's going to pretend that he's profitable today. I'm just watching somebody on TikTok. I'm curious on what all these people... Wow, face ripper. The hell is he saying? Oh, he's saying inflation is hot, has still been higher. That means it's gonna rip the market up. Damn. I don't want to go too crazy in this. It's already up. Jesus Christ. All right, we're at another major support here, or resistance. Gold. Let's buy some gold. Let's wait for a tiny bit of a pullback. All right, we got in one. If it goes back, ooh, see? Micro NASDAQ. Let's go back to it. All right, I'm in 3 contracts. We're just scalping this. This is just a a gamble play. And it's still kind of fucking risky. I really need this to come back down to the cloud. My gold is winning. But it is oversold already. Shit. But gold does like to be oversold. But if you want to be cautious and just take it on the first yellow, you can. Like, I don't know. I think I should take it. It's very small. All right. So I took a small profit there. All right, let's go back to MNQ. I'm hoping this cracks down so I can get out of it. That was a risky fucking gamble play. Again, I didn't go that deep into it, so which is good. Gotta be careful because this goes a flag and this breaks above this, we're fucked. I'm gonna draw a line here. Oh, I'm drawing a line on the wrong screen here, guys. Sorry. Look at that gold. It's alright. I really need this to fucking go down. It did go down a lot. That's the problem. Like, it went up so much and it pulled back. And I might be being silly on it. Because if this pops into... I'm getting out. That was a $200 loss on a fucking gamble play. But if you see this, I'm going to go in now. Alright, I am in a long here. Oh, now he can't log into it. Come on now. Alright, so hopefully this does like a 3-bar play. Of course, the gold goes way without me. I'm thinking this is going to do a 3-bar play here. To the upside.
Duramax 3-liter turbo diesel engine. And a smart.
We're going to see what it does around this. I'm pretty sure this wants to fucking rip up. Might get a buy signal here too. Boys. This is gonna give us a buy signal soon. Man, I would love to hold this to the 600. I just don't know if I have balls to do it. Maybe I'll do. I'll take some profit out as it goes up. There's a buy signal appearing. Oof. Doesn't know what it wants, so we gotta be careful here. This thing's fighting, but it wants to blast. Come on, baby. It's very nerve-wracking. I'm in like 8 contracts to the upside. I might take some out as it goes up, because it should have went up. And I don't want to get back money. Well, not that much. But this should go up. Come on. Alright, I don't like this. I'm getting out. City's up 3K. He's a fucking liar. So this is still a good trade. This buy signal. Just struggling. Does it want to go up or no? I don't know what this wants. It's obviously bullish here. He's gonna finally rip up. Come on, go up. It's obviously it broke to the upside. Let's go. Gold is in, but I'm in too deep on the Nasdaq. Fuck you.
The enclave for Buick has to make a statement on the road.
Still waiting.
And then I
The Fed's speaking. He's fucking up the whole market. This is fucking me up here. It's still good. Man, this guy on TikTok. I literally watched him and I think he's lying. So basically, I'm waiting for these buy signals to play out. Gold would have been nice. I'm too deep on this NASDAQ to enter it. Dow's showing a buy too, which isn't bad. Might get another fucking buy signal. This triangle's huge. So I've been taking some profit as it keeps going up. Bouncing off this, goes down, I buy a little more. The problem with this fucking top one is I don't know where it is. Is it these tops? You know, it's going to go really grind slow, which would be annoying as shit. Gold has been playing so nicely. I should just be trading gold. But you see how it just keeps going? I thought it was here this whole time. It keeps breaking above, comes back down. And I'm like, oh man, this triangle keeps breaking. But then if you look at the tops, it's still in contact. So you're like, what is the deal? I'm hoping that was just it right there. The way he just tapped that. Let's go. Come on. Just blast up, baby. If this breaks, it's probably going to 600. When I mean that, I mean 21,600 for sure. But it needs to break to the upside. I can raise my stop loss a little bit. Cloud's getting smaller. How is this overbought already? Price barely fucking moved. Maybe it's gonna be one of those face rippers like this. Whoever got in that Good fucking job. I really want to hold it to here, though. Let's see if he said anything else. Come on, be a face ripper, baby. Be a face ripper. To the upside, obviously. I don't want to be a face ripper down. It is gold. Or yellow means extreme over. Ooh, see, I didn't like that. Gotta be careful. It did just touch the resistance line here, which is cool. It needs to do that. It needs to get some more strength. But it has to hold. And I'm scared if it doesn't hold, it's gonna fucking crash. I wouldn't be wrong taking profit here. And then just waiting for another signal. What to do. If anything, maybe I'm just gonna watch this very closely. Because this thing is all over the fucking place. This is some scary trading. Oof. So I don't like this. This thing needs to go or don't go. Alright, I'm getting out of it. I was like, break even. What a piece of shit. Still just broke right back down into the triangle. So I don't know what this wants. And then you look at it more and you're like, okay, so maybe it's this kind of a triangle. Which is annoying. So much area in here. This is kind of annoying, actually. This is going to determine right now if I just stop trading this one. When this guy's done speaking, we'll get a definite answer of what's happening. So valid though. I'm just nuts. Let's go. Come on. Blast up.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity.
Searching for a trusted U.S. MT5 broker? Discover Forex.com, the largest U.S. broker with MetaTrader 5. Join over 200.
Order filled. 20-minute cat nap not only left you feeling more energized.
Wow, I was talking without my mic on. We might get another buy, but we would hold probably to the 660 area or when it turns overbought. Gold did just go below the cloud. Dow would have been a fucking sweet trade.
I've turned over 500 average 9 to 5ers into profitable traders in just 8 weeks using a little known 3 faces. And if I can't do the same for you, I'll personally hand you 7.
All right, we're getting a buy signal right here. We're going to wait a tad bit. The reason why I'm saying this hold just a little bit, because I feel like it wants to pull back. If we want to get in, see, it's already fucking oversold. Overbought. I definitely trust my indicator. I want to get back money, you know? Maybe I'll do just a starter, one contract. The fuck is this thing? I don't know why this is so hard. I would most likely hold to about here. My stop loss would probably be right here. It's not set in stone, the stop loss. I usually like to wait until the candle closes behind it. It is showing overbought already. So we got to be careful. I don't think I'm going to hold this one too long. I mean, we held this ripper here, which was sick. And I don't want to get back my profit. The risk to reward is a little low too.
If you only have a few $100 to invest right now, click this link right here because I want to show you a clever new way to find low price stocks that could be on.
We're still in it. Where's my entry? Because I'm pretty damn profitable already. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm down like right here, man. We can move this up now. Face ripper. I think I'm gonna take one out. Let's see. Can I hold it? Grow some balls. Grow some balls. I would probably like to take it out of the 50. All right, I'm taking a profit. Boom, baby. Boom. So that was another good one. Yeah, that was a good trade. I didn't go heavy on that one though. I was a little nervous, to be honest with you. I think I made $100 on that one.
Why is everyone spiraling about YouTube banning ad blockers? Chill. You can just use Pi. This is Pi. It's a free.
Boom, look at that. Right to where I said it was going to go. I just didn't have the balls to hold it, to be honest with you. Just scalping a little bit to the upside. I'm not going to call it out because there you go. Nice little winner there. I just took it from right here to break above it. If it went back down, I would have closed instantly. And my scalping indicator is up, which is good. If you wanted to use the scalping indicator, it is free. So, like, the break of this high, when the scalping indicator is green, right now it'll look like this, the triangles. You could just keep buying the breaks. So, like, I'm going to do... see, it didn't even... It actually just went down. I didn't buy it yet because it didn't break the top. But I'm going to enter 2 stop buys. If it breaks that top, I will just scalp it out. I'll let you know. Oh, so my trade just entered. We will be scalping on the way up. If it can't hold, we will close this. Gotta be very careful here. Looks like it wants to do a little flag. Still in it. Still in it. And we're out. It was just a little scalp. Could still buy some more here if we want. Actually, my indicator is, I don't know. If you were to very small and get in and out, I didn't break it at the top, so. The volume should start to die down, so just be careful, guys. It's Friday. It's after 11. I don't trade this long usually. It's just that the price has been pretty damn good. See how I waited? It didn't break that top, and now the indicator is now gray. So I would not be doing that scalp. Damn, that gold short was nice too. I should have looked at that. Dow was still ready to trade at that level. I might fucking take a Dow. Alright, I'm gonna enter in 5 contracts on it. Let me put the indicator here. Alright, so I'm in right here. I did set it up to take profit around there. Let's see. Alright, we're already green. Going up. Going up. We gotta break this top here. I kind of want to take just 2 orders off. We're getting another buy signal. I really don't want to risk above that. I'm going to put my stop loss just above break even. Still good. I'm gonna take one. Man, this might be like a 3-bar play. So I'm like, Should rip to the upside right here. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Man. Alright, I'm going to buy 3 NASDAQ. We're going to hold it into the 7 area. I would fucking buy the top right there. 6.99. Stop loss will be down here. We're going to keep an eye on this. But we should be okay. So I'm in this right here, the NASDAQ. Gold, another short. Oh, man. And they've been playing out, too. That's what sucks. All right, I'm in 6 contracts on the NQ. Or MNQ, the mini. Micro, whatever the hell you want to call it. You really could take it up to here, but I just sometimes I'm like, I'll probably take a few contracts off and then see if it breaks 700 and hold it a little bit past. Hopefully it's a 3-bar play. Basically 3-bar play is one big green candle up, one candle that goes about 50%, and the next candle should rip and break the next top and go to the upside. It's kind of looking like that, so let's see. So that's about 50% just looking at it, retracement on that candle. Damn, look at gold. Gold would have been paying. Dow, we were good. Damn, how is 6 micros? My stop loss is huge on that. I gotta be careful on that. In reality, we can bring that up. I don't want this to play games with me. I need this to break this high here. If this could break this little high of this candle, it should gain some momentum. There we go. All right. Damn, like, I'm fucking good. I don't give a fuck what you say. I think I've been trading the charts way too long in my lifetime. I'm going to take a few off just to minimize that risk. All right, so I took off 3. We're still aiming to take off 2 more at 6.99, and then we're going to see if it breaks to the... Oh, damn. See, just ripped to it. I didn't even get out, and I didn't even get to move my fucking take profit in time. I feel like I just want to enter in a little bit more for a scalp. If it comes down in any little bit, I'm gonna get out. It's only $10 scalp. Probably wasn't even worth it. Come on, man. That was fucking golden. Wow, look, way past it. I wish I was able to drag that take profit a little bit. Up, it just ripped so damn quick I couldn't move it.
Tell me this. Did you come this far just to come?
Searching for a trusted U.S. MT5 broker? Discover Forex.com.
I'm in a gold short. Damn, look at Nasdaq. Pretty wild. Oh no, I don't want that. I want a short. 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 And then the stop loss would be if the candle closes behind the red flag. I did put the take profit around here, but I think I'm gonna hold it if it turns yellow or orange. It is yellow. It does like to do a couple bars yellow, but we're gonna keep an eye on this. I'm probably gonna take 3 contracts off. I'm in 9 on this. Now it's 6. So I'm gonna put 1 here. If this was to play out the way I think it would. Yeah, so I think if candle breaks below this low here, it should continue down. See, I'm not too sure I like that. I think I'm gonna close it. So the 3 I took profit, and the other 6 I closed at break even. The way it's going back up and it's turning orange, I really don't want. Why is it so far up now? I just didn't want to give back my profit. Look, it's gonna keep going down too. I still think I made the right decision. It doesn't know what it wants. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a protein bar. Oh, I'm in on that short too. I'm sorry, I was eating a protein bar. I got in at where am I at? 26.43. I kind of got into this. Kind of cheating. Well, I kind of give that option. Soon as it appears. Oh, I hope this doesn't go against me. As soon as it started to appear, because we've had nothing but shorts. Look at this. Oh man, this is a beautiful, beautiful trades all day. I don't know if it knows what it wants. Like, look at NASDAQ. That was a wild pull. I said, nope, we're going to go back up. Honestly, I don't know if I would trade this. Just because there's two opposite things, it might get a little risky. Plus, we're close to 12 o'clock. Gotta watch this gold here. It's getting close. Stop loss is only if the candle closes above the cloud. It can go past it. It just can't close above it. See, look at this freaking NASDAQ. It would have been really good. It's just, I can't risk that one. It was a loss on that and then a buy. It just doesn't feel right. That movement. And candles turn red at one point. All right, so this went above. I'm going to close it, I think. I mean, I should. I'm going to close it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to close it now anyway. That was a loss. I actually ended up closing like right here. Very small. I'm up a lot of money, so that's not really phasing me. I did not take a huge entry on that. Even though I was down, I was up like $50 down here. Monday, I'll have it on this chart. I don't know why my Trade of 8 wasn't connecting. Because I have Trade of 8 and I have a Top Step X platform. Right now, I'm on the Top Step X platform. I could show you guys. I just want to. I know they have a streamer mode. Oh no, I want that to be shown. So this is one account, and then times that by 3, because I'm copy trading. So what is that? 14. Was it $2,100 today? Pretty fucking good. I guess I could have just traded on that the whole time, but I want you guys to see my indicator at the same time. Look, this is probably gonna like fuck around here. But I think it's gonna go to the upside. My scalping indicator is showing gray, which means that it just lost like momentum in a direction. Gold is barely kind of holding on here for power. See, everything is choppy. This is probably going to be done for the rest of the day. I'm probably going to call it. I did very well today. Very well. It was a little bit of sitting on your hands in the beginning of the morning, but we had to wait for that Fed to speak. He was saying inflation was still high. Inflation, when it's high, you want to put your money in stocks because I look at it like this. Say Amazon is selling stuff. If inflation's high, they're going to make more money. It doesn't reality mean more money. It's just more money on the books. In reality, you got to pay your people and buy extra stuff. It just gives a fake illusion. I'll look short on the gold. I might get on that. I think I'm going to get on that. So it gives like a fake illusion that it's going Sorry, I keep losing my train of thought here. It basically is showing that when high inflation, it's like fake money that you're making. But in reality, on stocks, it shows that you're making more money, which makes the value go up. So that's why everything appears to go up during high inflation. And then the normal person like us and you are losing money in real life because we're not getting the pay raises along with the inflation. Well, that's the way I interpret it, but I'm in 6 contracts on this. Nothing crazy. I did get in a little early, so I'm down like $40. It's okay. It's allowed to go across the cloud again. It just can't close. Oh, shit. Wasn't paying attention, and now this kind of go up. Anything past this, I'm actually gonna close. It's probably time for me to get off if I'm not paying attention like this. I'm hoping for a reverse hammer off this. If it starts to close above that, I have to close it. That was just a dumb move by me. I gave way too much back on that. What an idiot. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. That was good trading today. If you need this indicator, there's a free coupon code. Coupon code is starter package. That's for the signals here. This scalping indicator with the triangles is free. It's basically just shows you the trend that is strong. It is $49.95 after. One trade can pay for an entire year. So if anybody thinks it's too expensive, I don't think so. All right. If you have any comments or questions, just drop it in any of the videos that I post. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. TikTok, I'm still building up. Well, I'm building up everything. I've only been on here for about a month and a half. I think I'm doing well, all right. TikTok, I'm growing a lot faster, but I'm also nervous to grow too fast because of the House passing that bill that they might ban TikTok. I think Trump's going to save it, but who knows if it's still a good platform to use after that. All right, guys, have a good day.